Lionel accessories come in 4 varieties. Basic on-off for something such as a light, lamp tower, street lights, a cell tower, a structure with interior lamps in it. There is a single action accessory such as a banjo signal or crossing gate, or even the scale crossing gates, where when they're turned on, there's animation. In the instance of the banjo signal, the wig-wag moves back and forth in front of the lamp. The crossing gate, the lights come on, the gate goes down. The scale crossing gates, the cross bucks flash back and forth, and the gate goes down. These are single animation items. We have dual animation items, such as a signal bridge, a scale walkout cantilever signal, or a scale dwarf signal. Basically what happens in a dual animation is, in the instance of a signal bridge, the green light is illuminated when there's no train in the block. Train enters the block, the green light turns off, the red light turns on. When the train leaves, red turns off, green turns back on. Something like the scale walkout cantilever signal, there's internal circuitry which, when there's no train in the block, the signal is green. When the train enters the block, the green turns off, the red turns on. When the train leaves the block, red turns off, yellow or amber turns on for a predetermined amount of time, and then it turns off and green turns back on again. While there's 3 colors in a signal such as this, it's still only a 2 action accessory or 2 animation accessory. The third type is, or the fourth type, is a illuminated and animated accessory such as a gateman. There's an interior light inside the gateman that stays on all the time. And when the train enters a block and it's triggered, the gateman comes out, stays out as long as the train is in the insulated section. Once the train leaves, the gateman goes back inside and the light stays on. Now you can, of course, wire an accessory such as that so that the light and the gateman activate together. When the train leaves, the light goes out. That's entirely up to you. We have one other type of accessory, which is a type of accessory that has its own control box. So something like a pirate ride or a carnival swing, steam clean and wheel grind shop, magnetic crane, log loader, etc. Those devices will typically have their own control box because it has more than 2 animations, and it's something that's interactive that requires the operator to dump the load into the accessory, and then it goes through its animation and reload the product at the other end onto the car again. Those items, those types of accessories, are typically something that are standalone. They just need power. Same as the on-off accessories, they simply need power, fixed. Fixed 14 volt, 16 volt fixed power supply will keep those accessories operating at a constant voltage all the time. Trackside accessories such as crossing gates, cross bucks, banjo signals, etc. should be triggered using the insulated outside rail. Very simple way to turn those accessories on and off. They will only turn on when the train is in the block. That can be achieved with the insulated track section in 027, insulated track section with O-gauge, and the accessory activation pack with fast track. The signal bridges, these require something called a 153. Now, we have 3 types of 153s at Lionel. We have a 153C, which is an electromechanical device that will keep the green lamp on. When the weight of the train presses the plate down, it will take the ground away from the green lamp and put the ground to the red lamp, so the red lamp turns on. We have a 153E, which is only available through Lionel customer service. That is effectively a double pull, double throw relay circuit board designed to turn the green lamp off and the red light on, and vice versa. The final device is a 153 IR, which is really nothing more than a spread spectrum IR lamp or IR light that shoots out over the track. When the train comes by, it reflects that IR back. It turns the green lamp on, off, and the red lamp on. When there is no reflection of that IR light, the red light turns off, green light turns back on. The same process or same devices, 153C, 153 IR, and 153E, can also be used to trigger a gate man, or you can use the insulated outside rail. Just want to basically give you a little overview of what accessories are available. On-off, single animation, double animation, interior illumination and animation, and again, standalone accessories.